Good afternoon. Today is Monday, March 24th, 2025. I'm here at Lamb's Yacht Center. This is Elusive Butterfly. Before I show you the hole, I do want to let you know your zincs. You have one DP612, that's your transom zinc, and then you have four 1 3/4 inch shaft zincs. You don't have any trim tabs, so you don't have any trim tab zincs, and you don't have any rudder zincs. You did ask me before I jumped in if the bottom, if I believed it sat in the mud at low tide, and I can assure you it does. So let's go ahead and check the hull cleaning, and you'll see how low we are to the mud already. Thank you for choosing DS